After Jonathan proposed, we were so excited to start planning the wedding. One of the first things we wanted to decide on was our rings. Except there was a catch. Fitting rings over my knuckle was difficult and painful. First, we tried silicone rings, but when they came, we weren't happy. Not at all what I had envisioned as a symbol of our love and commitment. Then, we came across CLIQ. They make rings with a hinge, which means I wouldn't have to force my wedding band over my knuckle anymore. We were so relieved to find a solution. We ordered our fit kits and were able to try on different sizes to learn our true finger size. After a few attempts, the proper size fit perfectly on the base of my finger. Jonathan found his perfect size too. We went back to planning the wedding while we waited for our rings to arrive. When they came, we could hardly wait to try them on. We tried opening them with the stylus, and then came the moment of truth. We put our rings on. And with the CLIQ, it was the perfect fit, just like us.